Hi everyone, today I'm making a lemon-filled cake. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and spray your pan. I'm using a 9 by 13, but you could use two 8-inch pans, whatever you have and normally use to bake your cakes. Spray that with cooking oil. If you don't have a cooking oil spray, then just grease and flour your cake pan as you normally do. So go ahead and mix the cake mix according to the instructions on the box. I'm using a lemon flavored cake mix as well. So when you get that all mixed up, just pour that in the pan and then go ahead and start scooping out the lemon flavored pie mix. I have a 21-ounce can, but I didn't even use, I maybe used about 3/4 of that. And I'm using a small cookie scoop. Make that really easy just to put dollops of the pie filling in the cake. After you get the lemon pie filling on the cake, don't stir it in and don't run a knife through it. Just leave it as is. Put that in the oven, and mine baked in 25 minutes. Just, you know your oven better than anyone, and they all kind of vary. Just keep an eye on it. I cooled this cake for about 30 minutes before I cut it. And as you can see, there's delicious, creamy lemon filling inside. I also topped mine with vanilla ice cream and whipped topping. I must say this cake is absolutely delicious, and I hope you give it a try. It's a very easy cake to make as well. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.